Good morning, it's me again. So this morning we're going to go up to Essex Wildlife Trust, Two Tree Island. Going up there with JP, Lamoureux. Check him out on YouTube. We're going to do a nature fix and we thought we'd take you along with us. Oh yeah, we'll see you when we get there. See you in a bit. Bye. Right, so we're at what side of Country Park? We was going to go Leon-C, but it's a bit windy, so we've come down to what's it? So if you're an RSPB member, pick up a key for the hides. If you're not member, I think it's about a £20 deposit for a key for the hides. So I think JP's just going to go get a bit of grub. Yeah. So if you come over during the week, it's a little quieter. Obviously, kids are at school. Over the weekend, it gets quite busy. You've got all these, I think they're 14th century buildings. JP said these were dismantled apparently, moved, and they got rebuilt. So that's the what side of visitor centre over there. That's where you get your key from. And then just over the back used to be the RSPB visitor centre, gardens. We'll show you in a bit. Bushy. And just over there you got a cafe, outside cafe, and I think there's one in the visitor centre as well. With you too? So I'm doing a vlog, I'm going to film you. My mate JP's over there.
Just don't get them guys in.
Nah, that's alright. Say hello.
Hello.
My vlog.
Hello.
This is my niece, Katie. And just over there, there's some people I know that I used to work with, I used to look after, which I'm going to go say hello to.
Hello.
Just come across these pictures, look, these look really nice. There's the Montgomery, which as you probably know is out in the estuary. It's full of bombs and phosphorus. It looks like Hadley Castle. What else we got? There's the Hyde. And there's the radar tower at East Tilbury. Yeah, nice bit of artwork that is. And we're just going up to the marina now. Have a wander around the marina. You've got all these shops along here as well. I think most of them are shut at the moment. I think they're like little businesses. We're going to go up to the marina, which is just over there. And I've got a little story over there as well from when I used to do the sea fishing, the boat fishing. So we're going to go here, then we're going to go pop to the Hyde. We've got the key for the Hyde. See what we can see from there. So we're down at this is the creek that takes you out to Canvey Island, Old Haven Creek. So this is what side of the creek at the moment, and there's a horsefly. Go. Just hope you can hear me because it's a bit windy. There's that old wreck. Got some pictures of that I'll show you later in the little vlog. So we just walked you through this little boardwalk. We used to come here years ago. All these wildflowers. There's not much in the wildlife though. I've only seen a couple of butterfly. There's one over there. Apart from that, there's not much really. So we're going to go to the Hyde now anyway. I'm going to sit in the Hyde for 2 minutes. See what we can see now. There's JP doing some photography. Yeah, don't care mate, do they? Yeah, you know that. Alright, we're just heading up to the other Hyde. Got a key for that, sitting there for 2 minutes. I think it's pretty quiet to be honest. There's not much in wildlife really today. We're going to have a look in the visitors centre garden in a bit after we've been to the Hyde. Even though it's shut, we're still going to have a look. Alright, looks like this Hyde's been upgraded. The walkway's been upgraded. So it's a step, so you've got 2 levels to this Hyde. This is called the Grebe Hyde. So the bottom bit is open. So you've got 2 It's got 2 levels, this hide. Overlooks the reed bed, which is quite nice. Someone's put seed out there, look. So I'm going to go up to the top level. Let's have a look. Come out of the hide. It is quiet, really quiet in there. So I'm going to go up to the second hide now. I've just noticed some meadow browns. There, look. There you go. Nice meadow brown for you. That's meadow brown. Just looking at these doves, look. Lovely coloured doves. Actually quite friendly. Alright, I'm going to go in the fish. Oh, there's fish jumping over there. I'm going to pop in the visitor centre and have a quick mooch around now. I'll catch up with JP. Sure. So this side is the Essex Field Club. You've got all different information about different habitats. Essex Back Groups just over there. There's a little bit about Thames Swan Nature Reserve. It's Basildon Natural History Society as well. Very interesting stuff. And this side you've got stuff about VE Day, Second World War. Really interesting stuff. POW camp. I wonder what that was. Yeah. First time I've been in there actually. So yeah, I've gone through this already, so I'll put a little vlog up of this later on. There's an Essex Back Group. So I've already filmed all this, so I'll put this up in the vlog later for you to look at. Alright, so I'm back at home now. Yeah, I've come home a bit early because we went to Wattyler. There wasn't much showing, but it was really windy, so I suppose most of the birds were sort of hankered down. JP just dropped me off. We had a good day. It was nice to see JP. Put the wheels to rights, as you do. And a good old chinwag. So tonight, I'm going to do something special. I've got a friend up in Benfleet. She gets badgers of foxes in the back garden, so we're doing that tonight. I'll be filming them. Give it a film, I'll show you. So I might put that at the end of this vlog. I'll put this vlog out probably tomorrow or tonight. So yeah, I'll see you again tonight when I'll be filming badgers and foxes. Stuck for words. Just think they're chicken eggs.